It was a very peaceful day until and unless I saw this news all over social media that now YouTube is also coming out with the platform Shorts. And I was like, I have to make a video on this. Let's be real. So let's get to know everything you need to know about YouTube Shorts. So let's see. There's an article written on TechCrunch about the initial things about Shorts. I was just gonna say Reels. Okay, so let's see what they have to say about it. So YouTube has created this platform called as YouTube Shorts, which is a short video sharing platform, which is going to launch initially in India as they did for the Instagram Reels, because we do not have TikTok over here. So everyone is trying out everything in India right now first, and then they will, publish it throughout the world, which is a great thing that we can get to try everything in the start. Same thing happened with Reels. Reels got launched in July and everywhere around the country and around the world in August. So I think it will be the same thing. You'll get it by October if you are not from India. And it basically says that you need to upload 15 seconds or less short form videos using a new creator tool. Okay, so now the creator tool will be available just like how it is available on Instagram and TikTok if you're not from India. So you can just open the app. First of all, you need to update the app to get the feature on your page. Once you have updated the app, you will get a plus option. There you will get 3 options, such as upload a video, go live, and create a short. So you have to click on the create a short. It will open the same similar window which you have seen of TikTok and Instagram, and you will see a camera option. You can select a video or you can create a video using there are different tools. They just have mentioned that there will be the segment will include a multi-segment camera. Similar to TikTok, you will have speed controls, a timer, and a countdown feature, which is very similar to as of TikTok. As the app progresses, as this feature progresses, people will, the people at YouTube will see how this is working out for their favor. Then as it progresses, they will add more features, which is fair enough, like TikTok even did, and even Reels is doing right now. The videos can be set to music, and YouTube has the largest library of songs, so you can add any music from the creators available, as well as the music's available from authorized platforms such as T-Series and others as well. All credit goes to TechCrunch. I'm not taking anything, I'm just reading it off the website. It is available only on the app and not in the computer desktop version. So if you need to upload, you just need to upload it via your phone. Otherwise, you cannot really upload a short right now. YouTube will also launch a new watch experience where you can see shorts with just the same like it is with Reels. So that will come shortly as the day progresses. We can definitely see that. YouTube says that new feature is rolling out in India over the next few days. So keep an eye on your YouTube app, update it very properly, and see if you have Reels. If you have Shorts. As of now, I don't really have it. I just updated it. I cannot see it on my page. Also, if you're from India, you must have gotten an email from YouTube, because they are hosting a couple of Reels. Wow, again I'm saying Reels. They are hosting a couple of Shorts workshops all over India to all the creators, and also so looking to reach a new audience with your short vertical videos introducing YouTube Shorts. This is the email you must have received. They will basically give you insights on building your fan base and tips and tricks on how to grow your YouTube channel via using Shorts, which is fair enough. And there are a lot of sessions available from the 21st till the 29th of September. There are two sessions each. There are languages such as Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Marathi, Bengali, Hindi, Punjabi, English. So choose whichever you want. You must have gotten the email, so sign up for the process and see what it is. By the end of the week, if you do not have shorts option, do not worry about it. You can add shorts using your own phone as well. All you have to do is create a video under 60 seconds, upload it how you usually normally upload to your YouTube channel, and in the description and the title write hashtag shorts, and your video will go to the shorts section. Now it is time to work smart rather than working hard. Always repurpose your content. I will be talking more about it in my other videos. That was everything you need to know about shorts. Let me know what are your thoughts in the comments down below. Honestly, I am excited because I am any which ways posting on reels as as of now. So why not just post it on YouTube? And YouTube is just an amazing search platform, and I am definitely sure and I can definitely see that it is going to bring a lot good results if you post the right form of 15-second content. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post a lot about Instagram tips, YouTube tips, digital marketing, all of that. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye.